Banks are offering cash bonuses and special interest rates to get you to open new accounts. But is it worth going through the hassle just for a bonus? Let's find out. Here's the truth. Banks are desperate for your money. After being slow to raise interest rates on checking and savings accounts, they're now competing harder than ever to get your deposits. As a result, the bonuses are getting bigger. However, to get these bonuses, you usually need to keep a large amount of money in the account or set up direct deposits. Most checking and savings accounts at major banks also pay little to no interest and charge fees if you don't meet certain requirements, like keeping $500 to $1,000 in your account every month. On top of that, some of the banks offering these bonuses have bad reputations. For example, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Chase have been involved in many scandals, making them hard to trust. They also offer low interest rates, charge account fees, and have bad customer service, which is why many people are switching to online banks or credit unions. So while bonuses can be tempting, chasing them can mean missing out on better interest rates and having to deal with annoying fees and rules that these banks impose. Regardless, let's take a look at some of the top bonuses from these banks, since many of you might want to take advantage of them anyway. After that, we'll check out some online banks that give you more than just bonuses and that are actually worth signing up for. First up is Citizens Bank. Now until December 31st, 2024, you can get a $300 bonus by opening a new checking account and an extra $100 if you open a savings account at the same time. To get the $300 bonus, you need to make a single direct deposit of $500 or more into the checking account within 60 days. For the extra $100, you need to deposit $100 into the savings account for 3 months in a row, starting the month after you open the accounts. If you qualify, you should be getting your bonus within about 4 months. Just so you know, a qualifying direct deposit is money that goes directly into your account, like your paycheck or government benefits. It does not include transfers between accounts, mobile deposits, peer-to-peer transfers like Zelle, or ATM deposits. Keep in mind that you must apply through this webpage to get the bonus. And you won't qualify if you live outside the 14 states or Washington, D.C., where Citizens Bank operates. As for the accounts, they earn almost no interest and come with monthly fees. $9.99 per month for checking and $4.99 for savings. But you can avoid these fees by making one deposit to each account every month. Next up is Wells Fargo, which is offering a $300 bonus. To qualify, you need to open a new checking account with at least $25 by January 8th, 2025, and receive $1,000 in qualifying direct deposits within 90 days of opening your account. Remember, you will need to use the bonus code from this webpage when you sign up online or in person to get the bonus. If you qualify, you should get the money within 30 days after the 90-day bonus period ends. As for the account, it doesn't earn any interest and has a $10 monthly service fee, but you can avoid the fee by meeting one of the following requirements every month. Feel free to pause if you like. Next, we have Bank of America, which is also offering a $300 bonus. To get this bonus, you need to open a new eligible checking account through this page by January 31st, 2025 using this offer code. You'll also need to receive qualifying direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within 90 days of opening your account. As for the accounts, they earn little to no interest, and their monthly service fees range from $4.95 to $25 depending on the account. But you can avoid these fees by meeting certain requirements. Feel free to pause and check them out. Next, we have TD Bank, which is offering two bonuses. A $200 bonus when you open a TD Complete checking account and receive $500 in qualifying direct deposits within 60 days, or a $300 bonus when you open a TD Beyond checking account and receive $2,500 in qualifying direct deposits within 60 days. If you qualify, you should receive the bonus on or before 180 days after opening your account. As for the accounts, they earn very little interest, and their monthly service fees range from $15 to $25 depending on the account. However, you can avoid these fees by meeting the requirements on the screen. Again, feel free to pause if you like. Next, we have Truist. They're currently offering $400 when you open a Truist One checking account online until October 30th, 2024 using this offer code. To qualify, you need to receive one direct deposit of $500 or more and make 15 qualifying debit card purchases within 90 days of opening your account. Remember that all debit card purchases must be posted to your account in order for them to count. An easy way to reach those 15 purchases is to use your card for small things you buy regularly, like coffee. Once you meet these requirements, the bonus should be added to your checking account within 4 weeks. Keep in mind that your account must stay open and you must have a balance of at least 1 cent during this time in order for you to receive the bonus. As for the account itself, it doesn't earn any interest and has a $12 monthly service fee, but again, you can avoid it by meeting certain requirements. Guys, it's 2024. No one should be paying bank fees. So let's now take a look at some online banks that offer big bonuses, high interest rates, and awesome perks, all without sneaky fees. One of my top picks right now is the SoFi checking and savings account. You get both accounts together with no fees, no minimums, and FDIC insurance up to $2 million. The savings earns 4.3% interest with direct deposit or 1.2% without, and the checking earns 0.5%. By the way, there's no minimum direct deposit amount required to earn the highest interest rate. Any direct deposit amount counts, even $1. But what really sets SoFi apart is that for a limited time, they're offering up to a $300 bonus plus an extra $25 if you sign up using my link down in the description, totaling $325. To qualify for this bonus, you need to set up direct deposit and receive a specific amount within 25 days after your first deposit. If you receive $1,000 to $4,999 with 99 cents, you'll get a $50 bonus. If you receive $5,000 or more, you'll get a $300 bonus. If you qualify, the bonus will be added to your account within 7 days after the bonus period ends. By the way, when you enroll in direct deposit, you'll also unlock extra benefits like getting your paycheck up to 2 days early, rate discounts on personal loans, overdraft protection, the top interest rate of 4.3%, and much more, making it well worth it. But even if you don't set up direct deposit, you can still earn a decent interest rate of 1.2% on savings and 0.5% on checking, which is much higher than what big banks offer. I've had this account for over 3 years now, and I can confidently say it's one of the best accounts available, especially if you can set up direct deposit. You can learn more about it by watching this video next. Next is Capital One, which is currently offering $250 when you open their checking account using this offer code. To qualify, you'll need to receive 2 direct deposits, each of $500 within 75 days of opening your account. If our requirements are met, you can expect to receive your bonus within 60 days. I personally have this account, and what I like about it is that it's FDIC insured up to $250,000, has no monthly fees, minimum balance requirement, or overdraft fees. Plus, with direct deposit, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early. You can learn more about this account by watching this video after. Next, we have Discover. Right now, they're offering a $150 bonus on their savings account if you deposit $15,000 or $200 if you deposit $25,000 within 45 days of opening the account. If you qualify, the bonus will be added to your account within 60 days. Now, I know those are big amounts, but remember this is a high-yield savings account where people usually park more money to earn interest. So if you're already planning to deposit a big amount, this could be a solid deal. If not, it might not be the best option for you. Now, what I like about this account is that it earns 4.10% APY, has no fees or minimum balance requirement, and it's FDIC insured up to $250,000. Personally, I don't have the savings account, but I do use Discover's checking account for one of my investment properties, and I've had no issues with this bank so far, which is why I recommend them. Next up is Chime. Right now, you can get $100 when you open a Chime checking account using someone's referral link. I'll be leaving mine down in the description for those of you that are interested. To get the $100, you need to receive a direct deposit of $200 within 45 days of signing up. If you qualify, you'll get the $100 within 2 days. Some of the benefits of this account are that it's FDIC insured, has no fees or minimum balance requirement, you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit, and there's no foreign transaction fees when you use your card abroad, unlike many banks that charge 1 to 3%. So the question is chasing a bonus worth it? Well, if you were already thinking about opening an account, it's usually a great idea because you can get free money. But if not, it can sometimes become a headache. Here are some things to watch out for. 1, fees and requirements. Many accounts have monthly fees and requirements, so make sure to have a plan to avoid them. If not, the bonus might not be worth it. 2, bonuses are taxable. Since they count as income, you'll have to pay taxes on them. 3, know about check systems. This is like a report card for your bank accounts. Banks may check it to see if you've opened or closed too many accounts, which could make it hard to open new ones. 4, do the math. If the bonus requires a big deposit, check if it's worth locking up your money for the bonus period. You might make more money with a high-yield savings account that offers a better interest rate. You should also ask yourself the following questions. Is the bonus worth the time and effort? How long do I have to keep the account open for? How long will I have to wait to get the bonus? Is the bank reliable? And are there better long-term options? Overall, when choosing a bank for checking and savings, don't just focus on the one-time bonus. Think about fees, interest rates, ATM locations, customer service, money transfer options, and other benefits. Sure, you might be tempted to open an account, grab the bonus, and then close it. Many people actually do this. There's really nothing stopping you, but it could be a hassle and time-consuming. Plus, it could make banks less likely to offer these promotions in the future or add more restrictions to them, which then affects everyone. But hey, this is a free country and you can make your own choices. So do what you think is best. Just don't forget to read the fine print. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about chasing bank bonuses and share some good ones. And if you're looking to boost your savings, make sure to check out my free checklist down in the description. It's packed with tips to help you find the best high-yield savings accounts, as well as my top recommendations. See you on the next one.